Hello and welcome to FIXtastic Contents. In this video tutorial I will show you how to get rid of black mold on your bath/shower silicone sealant. Yes guys, my method is the best way to remove most of it. If you keep reapplying it, it's going to look like brand new again. Okay, let's get started. Roll up the kitchen roll just like this and apply it across your bathtub where all the silicone sealant is. So it's going to look like this. So remember guys, just use cheap bottle of bleach and the kitchen roll and roll it up just like a sausage and apply it all on the edge. When you've done that, apply bleach on the kitchen roll. So just like this, all the way around. Make sure it's soaked. Make sure the kitchen roll is soaked with bleach. So once you've applied bleach, with your finger, move the kitchen roll to the sealant. So it's going to look like this, more neat and tidy. Also clean up the excess bleach. Now what you need to do is make it set for 4 to 5 hours. I've applied more there. So leave it for 4 to 5 hours. I would suggest 5 hours. And then remove it. So I'm removing it after 5 hours. Look at the difference. Massive difference. There's still some black mold. However, if you keep reapplying this method, it will vanish. Yes guys, there won't be no more black mold. If I apply the same method one more time, there will be no more black mold. But look, major difference after the first attempt. Have a look around guys. Look at this. Can you remember the before video? And now look at this after 5 hours. Big difference. So as mentioned, apply this method one more time or possibly a third time and that black mold in that corner will vanish. Yes guys, my technique is the best way to remove this stubborn black mold once and for all. Please like and subscribe and don't forget to comment.